Welcome to Royal Shikshan Sanstha's Western Region English Medium YouTube channel. Subject EVS Part 2, Standard 4th, Lesson number 18, Management of the Welfare State of Swaraj. Video number 35. So let's start. Shivaji Maharaj struggled long against many unjust powers. So students, as we know that Shivaji Maharaj struggled a lot for the achievement of Hindavi Swaraj. He always has to fight against unjust powers. Now which was the various powers that Shivaji Maharaj fought? Let's see. They were the Adil Shahi and the Mughal powers, the Portuguese and the cities of Janjira. They were the enemies who created a lots of trouble because they were against of Hindavi Swaraj. Shivaji Maharaj fought these powers. That is how an independent Hindavi Swaraj was created. For smooth working, Shivaji Maharaj divided the administration into 8 departments. He appointed a minister in charge of each department. Now let us see the council of 8 ministers. Name of the minister. First name is given Morotremba Pingde. His destination is given. He was a Pradhan and he was from administration means political department. Then second name Ramchandra Nilkant Muzumdar. Now his destination was Amatya and he was from the department Revenue and Accounts of the state. Then third minister Hambirrao Mohite. His destination Senapati. He was a Senapati and his department was defense. Then fourth minister Moreshwar Panditra. His destination Panditra and his department was religious matters. Then fifth one Niraji Rauji. His destination was Nyayadhish and his department was justice. Next number 6 Annaji Datto. His destination he was a Sachiv and his department government orders. Next minister, seventh one, Dattaji Trimbak Vaknis. His destination was Mantri and his department correspondence. 8 number, Ramchandra Trimbak Dabir. His destination was Sumant and he was from the foreign relation department. So students, this was the famous council of 8 ministers. The Swaraj of Shivaji Maharaj was a state run for the welfare of the people in the true sense of the term. It was run with the assistance of 8 ministers. Means work of Swaraj which has been carried out, it is only for the welfare of people. Shivaji Maharaj brought happiness to the people. His Swaraj based on justice, welfare and equal treatment to people of all caste and religions. So it was run with the assistance of the 8 minister. So Shivaji Maharaj himself made the appointments of these 8 ministers and other important officers also on the basis of their eligibility and merit. He supervised all their work. Food, clothing and shelter are the basic necessity of life. In a welfare state, these needs of people are satisfied. Women are honored. Common people, peasants means farmers, are not deceived. Injustice is not done to anyone. Justice is provided quickly. Agriculture and industries develop well. Folk artists flourished. People can live a happy, contented life. So this was the main aim of Swaraj. So people lived happily in the Swaraj created by Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Therefore, the quality of confidence, self-respect and patriotism strongly emerged among the people of Maharashtra. Now patriotism means love towards the country. Now next point. Protection of environment. Now students, what all comes in the environment? Let us see. Natural environment included the land in nature as also factors like air, rain, rivers and streams, seas, forest, the birds and animals, light received from the sun, etc. So, for protection of environment, Shivaji Maharaj took care all these things because air, water, animals, forest and birds, if they are protected, only man can live properly. And man used the environment only to meet his necessities. So, it is beneficial for man to make use of this environment only to meet his necessities. Shivaji Maharaj took precautions to avoid the destruction of these environmental factors. So Shivaji Maharaj took great care of all these environmental things. Shivaji Maharaj saw to it that the forest in his kingdom would not be destroyed by the people. From the royal edict, we can see that he had issued many orders like the following. For the navy, it is necessary to build boats and ships of various sizes and their beams, masts and oars, etc., for which food is required. So, in Shivaji Maharaj time, the protection of environment was taken care. So, wood was used for making the boats. So, what was the rule of Shivaji Maharaj? Let's see. For using the wood in making boats, masts, oars, teak wood is used. So to obtain this wood, only teak trees should be cut. If more teak wood is required, it should be purchased from foreign territories. But on no account should mango, jackfruit or either tree be cut. They don't grow in a year or two. So people look after them like their own children in order to grow them. Cutting them into the inflict sorrow of the people. It should be not be done. Even when a tree is greatly worn out, it should be cut only after paying the owner and getting his consent. Now students, even condition of the tree is not so good. It is worn out. It should be cut only when after paying the owner and getting his consult. So Shivaji Maharaj told them that you should take the permission of the owner of that tree and we have to pay them that we need your tree and we need your tree wood and we are paying you.